Hi teachers, children are fascinated by space, aren't they? And they love to write about it. And I find in my workshops that they really enjoy inventing their own planet. So I'm going to just give you some rough ideas of how I do it in case you might be interested too. So we start by just talking about space and what the children can tell me about it, and we name all the planets and talk about the stars and moon and aliens, and we do a bit of floating, stand up, float about. And then I show them some pictures as well. You can get them free from the internet, can't you? Various places. So, like one of these, and I usually have quite a few more, in fact. And then we start thinking what a planet might be like. The children usually start off with quite sort of serious-minded descriptions, but I encourage them to branch out and be as crazy and inventive as they like, because, well, who can say what a planet might be like outside the solar system, somewhere that we'll never get to or know about? I mean, does it have to be round? Could it be triangular? Could it be made of sponge or plastic? Could it be slippery, slidey, icy? Could it be all water or waterfalls with water shoots? Anything goes. Children often tell me their planets are edible, tasty. Perhaps they're made of chocolate. I don't encourage that, but they come out with these things. But I usually start them off with colours because children can get to grips with colours quickly. And so they enjoy thinking up different kinds of colours, nuances, differences between one kind of blue and another, perhaps. So it could be turquoise or pale blue, cobalt blue, or maybe for red, scarlet, or crimson, or blood red. But that goes on to similes, which I'll be coming to. So I give them a sheet that I just make up myself that they can write their describing words on. So this says planets could be, and they can write under slanting lines, just a bit more fun and relaxed, isn't it, than in an exercise book. And then when they've all read out one or two, they can write similes with those ideas. So my planet is, or the planet something is, the planet Ding or Zong or whatever it could be, or 135, is as something as a something, as here. So as red as a dazzling shiny ruby on a queen's crown. You could, with more able or older children, encourage them to develop, to add a bit, to extend their similes. As mysterious as dangerous as welcoming as a warm, friendly smile, perhaps. As all sorts of different things, as delicious as, and so on. And of course, read them out. And after all that, and they might like to add on some more details in between the lines. After all that, they'll have fun. They can have fun if you have time for some writing about aliens. The aliens who live there are, what are they like? And that will perhaps lead you into a whole extra session afterwards. So have fun with all of that. Bye for now.